Hello, this is Infinite RC. This is the new sign flow with the master air screw race props. Link in the description. We've got the old props I've been running the entire time. We're going to try these and see what we can get in terms of top speed run and flight. We're going to be using a 1800 65C discharge 6 cell from Light or whatever it's called. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. Okay, let's get to the flight. Okay, here we go. Got the battery in. Got the M3 because we got an 04 Pro in it. Let's have a great flight. Gotta have 2 hands. The battery's plugged in. Alright, let's go. Alright, so we're in freestyle right now. First we're going to do top speed test while we're in this nice part of the battery. So we're in race mode. So that was about 115, I think. Not completely sure. Shit. God damn it. I accidentally hit disarm. Alright. Here it is. We recovered it. She's good, but I will review the props. It was not the props' fault. My hand slipped off of one of the buttons and hit the disarm. That was my bad. Yeah, but yeah, we will review the props again after getting new props. Look at all that green. It was in all the corn. Should take a picture of it, but yep. Have a good day. Next video, actual reviewing these comes out soon. Okay, so we have the battery all strapped in. Show the startup sequence. Okay, here she is. We're gonna take her off. Got the goggles view here. And alright. Let's get ready to take her off. We'll take off. And let's take off. Alright. I'm not completely sure if that's supposed to happen. I just lost signal. What the heck? What just happened? I should have brought it in. I have no signal whatsoever. I have no idea what just happened. It just cut off. It literally, I had 60 Mbps. I think the battery ejected. I'm gonna have to look at this footage. I have no idea what just happened. I just found it upside down. It seems fine. The entire thing's fine. The camera's not even dented. But the problem is that the prop's off and the battery's disconnected, which is what I thought. So I really have no clue. The antenna might be busted. I don't know. It might just be. I'm not completely sure, but let's get this back and see what happened. All right, I just recovered it. The damages are near none, except for of course, the prop. The ESC and everything inside the speed control, at least looking at it from right now, is not damaged like whatsoever. The LED strip right here, that's just was burnt from before. But so yeah, still not completely sure. My leading theory is that the cable right here from the battery ejected out of it, and it went, and that just caused it to fall, and on the fall it hit the ground and broke the prop, which could be an explanation. It could not be an explanation. It could have been something, because I haven't looked at it close enough in the ESC, but I'm not completely sure because I've never run these props before. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna turn it on, see what happens, and if that's that, then I'm just gonna put new props on it and see another one. But this is not over. I'm gonna try it again. I have extra sets of props everywhere, and yeah, so I'm gonna come back out and fly it again. But I guess that's the end of the video. 2 crashes on 2 sets of props. That's fun. But alright, well, I'll see you guys in the next one. It's Infinite RC.